Flapjacks are so easy to make and only 4 ingredients. So here are the ingredients you need. So you will need 250 grams of unsalted butter. You will need at least 6 to 8 tablespoons of Lyle's golden syrup. You will need 200 grams of brown sugar and 450 grams of rolled oats. Start by melting the butter. Now I've cut mine up in cubes so it melts a lot easier. Then add the brown sugar. Then add 6 to 8 tablespoons of golden syrup. Yeah, this is starting to look really good. So once it starts bubbling, you need to turn off the heat. Now add the oats. Give it a good stir. Now add the mix inside a lined tin. And take the back of a spoon and start spreading it out into the corners. Make sure it's nice and even. Place into a preheated oven at 160 Celsius for 20 minutes. So once it comes out the oven, you may think it's not cooked, right? But trust me, it will start firming up once it starts cooling down. So what we need to do, once it starts cooling down a little bit more, we are going to cut it. I've cut the flapjack in portions. You want to do it while it's still warm so it doesn't crumble too much. Now you just got to wait until it cools right down. These flapjacks are perfect for a snack, or add them to custard and have them as a dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any recipe ideas, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.